Imagine sneezing non-stop for hours. That's what happened to a man who sneezed 500 times in a single day, and doctors couldn't make it stop. It started one morning with what he thought was a normal cold. But hours later, he was still sneezing, over and over again. Antihistamines didn't help. Doctors found no infection or allergies. Sneezing is a protective reflex. But in rare cases, it can get stuck due to irritation of the trigeminal nerve or stress, a condition called intractable sneezing. After days of treatment, the man finally stopped sneezing, not with medicine, but after relaxation therapy. Sometimes, the brain just needs to reset. Subscribe for more medical stories explained simply. Light bulb.